How to send money on Wise. So to send money on Wise, first you want to log into the app and navigate to the home page at the bottom menu. Next, click on Send right below your account balance. Now here you have two options. Number one, you can either search the recipient by their name, Wise tag, email, or phone number. If you are not able to find them that way, you can simply click on Add a Recipient. Next, select the currency that you would like to send the money in. So in my case, I'm going to choose Euro. Then it's going to ask you again if you would like to search Wise by their email, phone number, or Wise tag, or if you would like to enter their bank details. So let's say that I would like to enter bank details. Then it's going to ask you, are you sending it to yourself, someone else, or a business/organization? Let's say that we're sending to someone else. Next step, it's going to ask you to enter the account details. Choose whether this account is inside or outside of Europe, write their name, and write the IBAN number. Then click on Confirm. Next, write the amount that you would like to send. So let's say that I would like to send 10 euro. Now, once you enter the amount, Wise is going to ask you how you would like to pay for this transfer. So if you click on Change next to your Wise Euro balance, you can see that you have many different options that you can pay for this. So you can use your Wise balance. You can use a debit card such as Visa, MasterCard, or Maestro. You can use a credit card. You can do a simple bank transfer. You can do a normal bank transfer. You can pay with Ideal. You can pay with SoFort. You can pay with Trustly, and you can use Apple Pay. So choose the option that best suits you. I'm going to go with Wise Euro balance, and then I'm going to click on Continue. Last step is going to ask me to review and confirm the details. So once everything looks good, simply click on Confirm and Send, and this is how you send money on Wise. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe our channel for next video.